Sport, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to measure your walking speed. So first, you're going to have at least 5 trials. So set at least a distance of 10 meters. So you're going to walk at the start of the 10 meters, then you're going to measure the time it takes for you to walk the 10 meters using a stopwatch. So at my first trial is my distance is 10 meters and it is constant. So the time it takes for me to walk a distance of 10 meters is 5.22 seconds. And so the average is 2 meters. So how do I get the average? So I get the average by dividing the time or distance over time. So I divided 10 meters divided by 5.22 seconds, and the answer is 2 meters per second. Then my second trial, it takes for me 5.36 seconds to walk a distance of 10 meters. So my average walking speed is 1.87 meter per second. And on my third trial, I obtained a time of 5.16 seconds. Then my average walking speed is 1.94 meters per second. Then on my fourth trial, I obtained a time of 6.09 seconds. Then my average walking speed is 1.64 meters per second. Then in my last trial, I obtained a time of 5.54 seconds. Then my average walking speed is 1.81 meters per second. Then the next thing you do is get the overall average of your walking speed. So add this from the first trial to the fifth trial. So 2 meters per second plus 1.87 meters per second plus 1.94 meters per second plus 1.64 meters per second. And the last is 1.81 meters per second. Then divide this one by 5. So the overall total is 9.26 meters. So divided by 5, the average walking speed is 1.85 meters per second. So my final average walking speed is 1.85 meters per second. So this is my demonstration on how to measure your walking speed. So I hope this one is a helpful one for you. That's all. Thank you.
Yan, nalipay ka.